Republican state lawmakers are looking at possibly impeaching the new liberal Supreme Court Justice Janet Protasiewicz. As Bruce Harrison explains what it would take to impeach a justice, and that happens, what comes next.
Today, Justice Janet Protasiewicz making her first appearance on the bench.
How often are those cases coming back into court?
Yet there's already talk among Republicans to remove her. Some lawmakers say the justice must recuse herself from redistricting cases, accusing her of bias for calling election maps rigged during her campaign. If she doesn't, they say they'd consider impeachment. So we decided to ask a legal scholar, do Republicans actually have a case to impeach?
No.
UW-Madison Law Professor Emeritus Schweber says Protasiewicz hasn't violated any rules, and under Wisconsin law, standards for impeachment are corruption or committing a crime.
But there's never been a principle that a judge or justice can indicate a preference for an idea or a philosophical position. So it seems to me an extraordinarily weak case.
Yet Schweber says in politics, you may not need a strong case to impeach.
It is a political question. An impeachable offense at some point is whatever enough members of the legislature will vote for.
If the Assembly does vote for impeachment, Protasiewicz couldn't sit on the bench until a Senate vote, one that, hypothetically, Republicans could delay until after critical cases like abortion and redistricting come and go.
I really think there's no limit to the political hardball, as it's called, that the Republicans will be willing to play here.
Schweber says it's hard to say when Republicans would move on impeachment.
It's impossible to have a precise schedule because the cases haven't come up yet and haven't been ruled on yet.
The Assembly has only ever impeached one state judge accused of taking bribes back in 1853. The Senate did not convict. Reporting in Madison, Bruce Harrison, TMJ4 News.